how to transfer crypto to wallet from Revolut. Here's what you want to do. Load up the Revolut app and sign into your account. Once you have signed in, here we will go into the crypto section by clicking it at the bottom. Now you want to go and click on send. After you click on send, it's going to ask you for the network which you will be sending to. So let's say that we want to do this first one, 1 inch. Once you click on it, I'll just go here to my PC. So once you click on it, it is going to look like this. You can add your wallet address and it's going to ask you for the specific information, the wallet address, the label, and you can also choose the exchange here. So once you click on the exchange, it's going to give you all the different exchanges here. You can choose one. You will then provide your wallet address. You will type the amount which you want to transfer and just confirm, and that's going to send the money or transfer the money from Revolut to that wallet. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.